welcome back. Today we are going to learn about AWS Cloud9. In the next tutorial, we are going to create a Cloud9 environment. AWS Cloud9 is Integrated Development Environment, or IDE. The AWS Cloud9 IDE offers a rich code editing experience with support for several programming languages and runtime debuggers, and a built-in terminal. It contains a collection of tools that you can code, build, run, test, and debug software, and helps you release software to the cloud. You access the AWS Cloud either through a web browser. You can configure the IDE to your preferences. You can switch color themes, bind shortcut keys, enable programming language specific syntax coloring, and code formatting, and more. How does AWS Cloud9 work? The diagram here will show high level of overview of AWS Cloud9, how it works. You use AWS Cloud9 IDE running a web browser on your local computer to interact with AWS Cloud9 environment. A computing resource, for example, Amazon EC2 instance or on your own server, connects to the environment. Finally, your work is stored in AWS Cloud Commit repository or other type of remote repository. AWS Cloud environment is a place where you store your project files and where you run the tools to develop your application. Using AWS Cloud9, you can store your project files locally on the instance or server, clone the remote code repositories such as repo in AWS Cloud Commit into your environment, work with a combination of local and clone files in the environment. You can create and switch between multiple environments with each environment set up for a specific development project. By storing the environment in the cloud, your projects no longer need to be tied to a single computer or server setup. This enables you to do things such as easily switch between computers and more quickly onboard the developers to your team. Environment and computing resources. Behind the scenes, there are a couple of ways you can connect to your environment. To computing resources, you can instruct AWS Cloud9 to create an Amazon EC2 instance and then connect the environment to the newly created EC2 instance. This type of setup is called EC2 environment. You can instruct AWS Cloud9 to connect an environment to an existing cloud compute instance or your own server. This type of setup is called SSH environment. EC2 environment and SSH environment have some similarities and some differences. If you are new to AWS Cloud, we recommend use EC2 instance because AWS Cloud takes care of much of the configuration for you. What can I do with AWS Cloud9? With AWS Cloud9, you can code, build, run, test, debug, and release software in many exciting scenarios and variations. These include, but not limited to, working with code in several programming languages and AWS Cloud Development Kit, AWS SDK, working with code in a running Docker container, using online code repositories, collaborating with others in real time, interacting with various databases with website technologies, targeting AWS Lambda, Amazon Epic Gateway, and AWS serverless applications, taking advantage of other AWS products such as Amazon Lightsail, AWS Code Star, and AWS Code Pipeline. This was all about AWS 9, and now we are going to get to work. I will see you in my next video. Bye!